Hello everyone, welcome to Computer CPU Plus. This is Morshed and here's the Gabriel.
Hello everyone.
And Gabriel, tell us what are we gonna do today?
So today we are going to be doing a data operating system clone. Right now, currently, we have an older, I want to say 2 terabyte, and we're going to be cloning the data from this 2 terabyte HDD to this Samsung 990 EVO, a more newer model for one of our customers. Let's get started.
Awesome. We're also going to do the video card upgrades. So this one is GTX 1070 and it's 8 GB. We actually going to upgrade to the RTX 4060 8 GB video cards and yeah, plus the cloning the operating system. Uh, let's get started. So here's the software. I mean the bootable flash drive. We using Hiron boot, and first of all we like to check the old hard drive, this mechanical hard drive, is GPT or MBR file system. I mean the what kind of the format is there. So to do that, we're gonna click on the start and then right click, and right click on this PC and manage, and then disk management. Alright, so as you can see, it's automatically pop up the initialized window. Looks like the old drive is the GPT. That's why it's automatically pop up the GPT initialization. But we are gonna click cancel because we want to verify manually. How we can verify manually? We can see the disk number 2 is the bootable mechanical hard drive. So we can right click on the disk and then go to the properties, and then we're gonna click on the volumes, and to make sure the partition style is GPT, right? So we confirm that the old mechanical hard drive is GPT. Now we can close the window and go ahead and scroll up and then right click on the disk 0 and then initial disk and GPT. Okay. Remember, if we click the initialization, is going to wipe whatever you have on that drive. We don't have to worry about this one because this is a brand new SSD. There is no data anywhere. So we're gonna close the entire window, and we will click here and search clone. Awesome. So we're gonna going to open to do the cloning. Awesome. And we will click on initialized GPT disk again here. Sometimes we've seen Legisoft sometimes doesn't like the GPT if we don't initialize from this tool. So that's why we're always making sure we initialized from here as well to avoid any error in the future for the OS cloning. So we're gonna select the Samsung. Yep, this is our new Nvme SSD. We're gonna click on OK. So Legisoft will quickly do initialization as a GPT again, and that way Legisoft will know is initialized by their tool as well. So first we check from the disk management just for making sure what kind of the file system was there, styles it was there. So now we're gonna start cloning. You can clone. And we're gonna clone from the USB because we connect the mechanical hard drive onto the USB docking station, and this is our flash drive, the bootable, and this is our new NVMe SSD. So our source disk will be disk 3 USB, and as we can see all the partition including the C operating system. So we're gonna click on the next, and then now we are gonna select the destination disk. So this destination will be here. That's the new SSD NVMe. But if you are not confirmed, we have to make sure that which disk is destination, which is source. If we accidentally clone to the wrong drive or partition, we're gonna lose the data. So we have to very careful and make sure that we selecting properly for the source disk and destination disk. We are correct, and now we can go for the next. Yep, and we're gonna select the fit partition to entire disk, and then next. Now time to start. So here is the overview how it's gonna be looks like. We can click on the OK button. There you go. So now clone is start. When the clone is finished, and the computer will be boot from this new 2TB Nvme SSD, and we will just disconnect this one after clone is finished, and then we can put back the LAN card and doing the thermal paste replacement. And this is a Leonore gaming computer, and I hope everything will be good. And Phil, you do this every day, but we're recording this video for sharing our customers how actually we go through the process.
Yeah, I feel good. It's a very easy process once you get used to it. And honestly, it gets pretty satisfying when you switch from old to new. And I'm sure it's pretty satisfying with the customer. When we're all finished, he'll have a great computer to work on.
Absolutely. And also this computer is going to speed up minimum 10 times to 15 times because this computer used to run on mechanical hard drive. Now is going to be solid state drive plus better video card, which is at least 50% high speed than the old one. So overall it's going to be very smooth. And yeah, if you have any question, just feel free to give us a call or comments or email us. We are here in Lakewood Range, 1829 Lakewood Range, Blvd, 34211 zip code. And that's all for today. If we have something else, we will come here with a new video. Have a good day.
Have a great day. Bye.